Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the desktop icons missing or blank white desktop shortcut icons on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type app data and click on OK. Now you just need to select the view tab on the top and select show and check this hidden item box. Make sure it is checked. After checking it, go to local folder. Now you can able to see icon cache over here. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this, just to close stuff here and right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Now scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the icon that you having problem with and select properties, select change icon. In here you can able to see icons. Just select the correct icon and select OK option and select apply and OK. And check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up browser. You just need to type the name of the app. For example, I'm gonna do it for Chrome. After typing it, type logo png transparent and press enter, and we'll get images over here. Just select the correct image, right click on it and select save as. Select save option. After getting saved, just open the new tab and type here png to ico and press enter. Now you just need to select the first link. Select the choose files option and go to downloads and select the downloaded file and select open. Select the convert option and you just need to wait for this to get converted. After getting done, select the download option and download it. After the download done, you just need to minimize this, right click on the app you having problem and select properties. Select change icon, select the browse option and now go to downloads and select the ICO file we downloaded and select open, and now click on OK and select apply, select continue and OK. Now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.